This is going to be a longer set of notes and videos, especially the videos, because when we're doing mathematical induction, there is a whole, well, as you know, we're solving something, and I'm going to try to be very particular on showing you how I got there step by step. So I'm actually going to cover some things. I'm going to blur some things because I want to show you where my logic was as we got down there. In the notes, it's just going to show you everything, and sometimes we forget how we trace to get to the next step. I'm going to do that painstakingly in this set of notes. But why are we even doing this is because we had already talked about our big O notation and how it works, but how do we know that it works for not just n, but n plus 1, n plus 2? And remember, that was the data pieces that we had. So there's really two analogies that I like to use. This one's frankly from me, whereas I showed you some charts on exactly how things would run out, as you've done before in graphing calculators or something of that nature, where you see where the bounds are. I'm personally a visual person. I know probably a lot of you are as well. So I wanted to check if it works for here, then does it work for here, and does it work for here? That's what we're really checking when we do our proof by induction, and now I'm going to the ladder here, is that if we can at least get step one, the lowest rung of our graph or of our production that we have here, we can probably go to step two and keep progressing up. That's what that n plus 1 means, is that, hey, whatever you throw at it, if I can add one more to it, it should work. Now notice the word should. Here's the other thing. Where I've done this in data structures, I've done proof by induction, and then I gave a problem that didn't work out. That does happen as well. So I want you to know that as you go through some of your problems or homework problems, stuff like that, and you find something that doesn't work out just in the base case, which I'll go over here in a little bit, that happens. So just a heads up that not everything works out. Let's put it that way. So that's what we're going to do in our proof by induction, is basically show that, hey, whatever line that we come up with, it works at every spot, and then add one. It'll still work at that. That's what we're doing by proof by induction.